What is going on, motherfuckers? We are back with another video. Today, nice easy install. I'm just going to be installing some paddle shift extenders. I guess that's the technical word. I got them from Ultimate Custom, so shout out to those guys because I ordered them and within like 24 hours they were at my door. So can't say better than that. Really reasonably priced, and as you can see, I've got this nice red powder coat finish. On initial thoughts, I thought they were completely upside down because the plus is like this way and that's on the minus side. But me being stupid realized I was holding them upside down. So before we get into it, you already know what I'm going to say. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and if you don't think you've got time to subscribe, I'll give you like 5 seconds right now. So let's go. Okay, right then, so before we get on with it, I've also got these, which my dad bought. I don't know where he got them from, but again, they're this cool little Audi, like, dust caps. Can't get it to focus. I'll take them out of the bag in a minute. But yeah, let's crack on with this. It should be pretty easy. The whole install thing is literally a couple of screws, an Allen key, chuck it on the back. Let's go. First one is this, the plus, which is on this side, and I believe there's just like some little notches here which need to slot on just like that. Bro, you almost don't even need anything else. Hold on, that's ridiculously easy. It's gonna be the shortest video ever. Oh my god. Right, and I guess these fastening screws will be just to make sure they don't fall off when you know, going really quick. From what I've heard as well, obviously I could be wrong, but I think these give you an extra 10 horsepower. So yeah, you're gonna see me flying. Obviously take it for a spin, see how they look. See how much speed they get. This is kind of difficult to film, but there's a little hole underneath there. I'm so stupid today. Man, you can tell it's early in the morning. Okay, so the little hole is actually over here. This is so hard to film. There we go. I'm in. Oh, lovely. Simply lovely. And just tighten it up. And all this does is just tighten it on, like pulls this gap here together to make sure it doesn't fall off. I think we're nearly there. There you go. That is not going anywhere, man. So all I'm doing is putting this in there. Grab the Allen key. Tighten it up. There you go. That is tight enough. I like the way this looks. I like it. Yeah, it's cool. Go even better. Super wide view for the boys. That was it. Nice and easy. Hey, should we take it for a spin? See how these bad boys look? Yeah, look at that. Mad sexy. I hit my neighbor's car. I'm having so much fun in this car, man. It's like, it's so much fun. Let's go down this way. Let us know. Yeah, it's no joke. It's quick. But then remap pending, let me tell you. And I'm hearing more and more now the what's it called? The intake. Feels good. Like I said in the previous video as well, the four-wheel drive system is just so much fun. Like you can feel when it engages. It just gives it, you know, all the lights inside this car are red. So like the dials, the little lights that light up in the car, like how the buttons light up, they're all red. So that's why I went with red over, like, I think they did silver and black. I think black would have just looked plain. Like, you might as well give the car a little bit more flair to match everything else. It just complements the rest of the interior. I'm half tempted to get, rather than just the full black S-Line badges that are on the outside, to get the ones with the red line in the middle as well, like where it says S-Line. Yeah, the backfires are just simply lovely. Next up for the car is going to be something probably like black wheels or a remap. They're like the two things which are missing, like aesthetically and performance-wise. They're just the two things that the car needs. If I don't actually get new alloys completely, then it'll be just spraying the ones that are on there at the moment. So yeah, basically guys, that is it. I'm just going to put on the dust caps now, because you know, it's just the little things that make the big differences, and little things like that I actually like. Same thing with the debadging video and putting on the black S-Line badges. It's little things like that which just set the car apart from the others. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to Ultimate Customs. Follow me on Instagram at james.cf10, and we are good to go. See you next.